In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on RedBubble. So RedBubble is a print-on-demand platform. So how print-on-demand works is you just need to create your design, upload it, and choose the products on which you want your design to be printed. And when the customers buy those products, you get a certain amount of commission from the sale. So it's that simple. So let's see how RedBubble works. So this is the site redbubble.com. So all you need to do is sign up, and so when you see this screen, you need to choose this artist sign up. You don't want to sign up as a customer. Artist sign up and put your email, shop name, and password. Shop name can be anything. Choose the name of your shop um, according to your preference. Okay, so once you sign up uh, and you log into your account, all you need to do is go to your account and add new work. So here you see upload new work. Click here, and you can choose your design. Um, let's choose one of these. So once you choose your design, you can give a title. Um, you can include tags. Okay, including tags makes it easy for the website to um, search for your product. Okay, then description. You can put description explaining what the design is all about, and then here you can choose all these products. Right now it's disabled. All you need to do is click here and it's enabled. And what you can do is go to edit, and here you can choose this size. Okay, size of your design. If it's not center, you can choose center horizontally and vertically also, and you can choose these colors of t-shirt. Okay, and then apply changes. So it can be done on all these products. These are the products. You know, you have t-shirts, sleeveless tops, and you have pillows. You have this laptop skins, mugs. Okay, you have bags. You have masks. You can enable the products you want your design to be printed on, and then all you need to do is choose one of these. If it's photography, choose photography. If it's design, then choose design. If it's painting, choose drawing, digital, or whatever. And then you have to check this nudity something something. You just need to click. You choose no, and then you check this. Okay, and save work. You just get save work, and then you're done. Now, when people look for the title, let's say if you have titled this design as um, Red Bubble, like Red Bubble design, or something like that. So when people look for Red Bubble design, they're gonna see your design on the list, and if they like the design, they're gonna make purchase. And when the company prints your design on the products and when they make sales, you're gonna get a certain amount of commission. So it's that simple. You just need to create your own design, and design can be anything from um, wonderful piece of art to just simple text. Okay, you don't need to be professional graphic designer. It can be anything. It can be a photograph. It can be some text. So that's how you make money on Redbubble. I hope this video was helpful. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.